due to the height issues, there are times that I have received complaints from the other half saying that I snore. Yeah, even without me knowing. So it could be a possibility that due to the poor posture of my neck, yeah, that causes the snoring. So hopefully with the firmness of what the pillow, Tatami pillow can provide, that snoring part can be reduced. And I guess it affects our daytime concentration. During the daytime focus, it can be an issue because after a certain hours of rest and you don't have that quality sleep, it affects your concentration.